Hi everyone, welcome back to Edo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the iPad mini 3. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. Proper heating requires iPad screen removal from the body. For this, we are using heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. On iPad devices, make sure to heat the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or something similar. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup on the sides to lift the touchscreen. In between, insert a few plastic pickers or carpet tools and cut the adhesive around. Be gentle while putting the flex cables attached to the logic board. Next, lift the touchscreen to 90 degrees from the top, and then remove 4 screws securing the LCD screen. Next, lift the LCD screen to 90 degrees from the top. Next, take out the LCD plate by undoing 7 screws. Next, take out the shield by undoing 4 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug, LCD plug and 2 touchscreen connector plugs from the logic board. And then gently take out the LCD screen and touchscreen from the body. Next, to remove the battery, first loosen the adhesive by applying heat. For this, you can use a heat gun, heat pad or something similar. Next, cut the adhesive under the battery using a plastic carpet tool or something similar. Be gentle in this process and take out the non-talking battery from the body. Next, place a new battery in the body. And for testing, connect the battery plug and LCD screen to the body. And once the testing has passed, install the new battery with adhesive. Next, place the touchscreen by securing two plugs. Next, place and connect the LCD screen. Next, turn on the device for testing by connecting the battery plug. Next, place the shield by adding 4 screws. Next, place the LCD plate by adding 7 screws. Next, secure the LCD screen by adding 4 screws. Next, clean the LCD and touch surface for prints and dust. Next, before clamping, verify the screen has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided backer adhesive. Finally, we are using screen binding to tighten the screen to the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave there for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide on iPad mini 3 tablet. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.